Oh, for a draught of vintage that hath been cooled a long age, in the deep delved earth, tasting of flora and the country green, dance and provençal song and sunburnt mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, full of the true, the blushful hippocran, with beaded bubbles winking at the brim, and purple stained mouth, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with thee fade away into the forest dim. Darkling I listen, for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death, called him soft names in many a mused rhyme, to take into the air my quiet breath. Thou wast not born for death, immortal bird, no hungry generations tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through Ruth's sad heart. Sick for home she stood in tears amid the alien corn, the same that oft times hath charm in magic casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas in fairy lands forlorn. Darkling I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death, called him soft names in many a mused rhyme, to take into the air my quiet breath. The near meadows, over the still stream, up the hillside, and now 'tis buried deep in the next valley place. Was it a vision or a waking dream? Fled is that music, do I wake or do I sleep?